Hi folks, I want to show you my very own Beam Spring keyboard from IBM. This is a model 3278 from the late 1970s or early 1980s. The timestamp inside the top case of this particular board says 1977, but this doesn't mean it is really the assembly date of this board. If you are familiar with the IBM Beam Spring 3278, you will see instantly that I have done a paint job on the case. It was originally powder coated and it was off-white or beige. A few other changes that you will notice are my changes on the keycaps. I moved them around basically to mimic a 10 keyless keyboard with a complete nav cluster to this area. So it has everything you need. You have your arrow keys or cursor keys, insert, delete, home, and a page up, page down, and so forth. They were originally on this area where you now see the PF keys. So what I really hate is a block nav. A block nav basically shows the navigation or cursor keys in this block here, and it's kind of unusable. What I also moved on the keyboard is things like having brightness controls here, volume controls, I have a mute button, I have a few other things that I just need every day. On the other side, I've changed a few things, so the clicker or solenoid can be turned on and off like it was in the original keyboard. I have an escape key on the attention, and a few other things that are useful for me, but I change them from time to time. So much about the visual layout changes. I received that keyboard in a complete unrestored state, and it really required a lot of work and a lot of love. Apart from implementing an X-Watset controller, I had to replace the foam, clean all the switches, and so forth. You can find my complete restoration guide on Desk Authority if you're interested, and I will explain there the complete process of cleaning it up, replacing the foam and other parts. But without further ado, I show you a typing, sound, and experience of this board right now, and I will do this in two phases. First is without a solenoid on, and the second one is with the solenoid enabled. Bear with me, it will be only a very short checkup. I have a longer video of a complete test for 1 minute. And now with the solenoid off. And now with the solenoid on. Thanks, and have a great day.